Kenai Fjords National Park, the complete guide to Alaska's national parks. You'll feel like you're a part of the Ice Age when visiting Kenai Fjords, where 40 glaciers flow from the Harding Icefields to the sea. Panoramic views of mountains, ice, and sea will leave you in awe. Good to know, explore the fjords on a guided boat tour or kayaking adventure, experience Exit Glacier, the only section of the park accessible by road, hike the 8.2-mile Harding Icefield Trail, and learn about the delicate ecosystems through a ranger-led talk. Fun fact, 3 public-use cabins are available for visitors for overnight stays in the park. Getting to the park, situated just outside Seward in south-central Alaska, Kenai Fjords is accessible in the summer months via Seward Highway National Scenic Byway. Fly into Anchorage and begin your adventure. The Alaska Railroad is another option, which connects Anchorage to Seward. To view the fjords, tidewater glaciers, and wildlife, boat tours provide day trips.